Enya Music has introduced a unique new gadget called the Cyber-G Pocket, and it's designed for people who want to have fun making music without spending months learning guitar chords. Instead of focusing on traditional practice, this device is all about making it easy to jump into a song and start playing right away. When folded, the Cyber-G Pocket looks like a stylish Bluetooth speaker. Open it up and it transforms into a compact guitar-shaped device that's easy to carry almost anywhere. It's built for casual jam sessions, road trips, camping, and hanging out with friends, rather than replacing a full-size guitar. This isn't Enya's first smart instrument. The company has already released several smart guitars and ukuleles, and its previous Cyber-G became a huge online success, attracting hundreds of millions of views around the world. Now, the Cyber-G Pocket aims to make music even more accessible for beginners and casual users. Getting started is simple. Just connect the device to the Enya Music app, choose a song or preset, and you're ready to play. Your left hand uses 7 touchpads with customizable controls, while your right hand strums using a special pick-style knob that responds to both upward and downward movements. In sing and play mode, the Cyber-G Pocket automatically handles complex chords and backing rhythms, making it easy to sound surprisingly good with very little effort. Switch to solo mode, and the touchpads become individual notes for playing melodies. The built-in software does much of the heavy lifting, so you can focus on enjoying the music instead of mastering difficult techniques. The device also works as a Bluetooth speaker, featuring dual 10-watt full-range speakers for music playback when you're not using it as an instrument. It charges through USB-C, includes a 3.5mm audio jack, and offers up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, with a full recharge taking about 2 hours. Despite the name, it's not something that fits in your pocket, but it is compact enough to slip into a backpack or travel bag. Weighing just under a kilogram, it's built with portability in mind and comes with a protective carrying case, straps, charging cable, and even custom decals. Buyers can choose from Studio Black, Nordic White, or Blossom Pink. The Cyber-G Pocket launches with a limited-time introductory price of $199 before increasing to its regular retail price of $259. This isn't meant to replace a traditional guitar or a professional music studio. Instead, it's a fun, portable music gadget that helps anyone join in, play along, and enjoy making music without feeling intimidated. For casual creators and music lovers, it could easily become Enya's next viral hit.